back. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful technologies shaping our world, artificial intelligence or AI. Whether it's your phone assistant, Netflix recommendation, or medical research, AI is everywhere. So let's understand what AI actually is, its types, and how it's transforming our daily lives. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is a branch of computer science focused on building systems that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. In simple words, AI is when machines or computers are trained to understand data, recognize patterns, and solve problems, even improve themselves over time. Think about like this. When you ask your voice assistant question, it doesn't just follow instruction, it understands what you are saying and respond intelligently. That's AI in action. Types of AI, there are mainly three types of AI. First is narrow AI, weak AI. This is a kind of AI we use every day. It performs one specific task very well and includes ChatGPT, Google Assistant, or image recognition apps. They are smart at one job like answering our questions or recognizing face, but they can't do everything humans can. Next is general AI. This is a type of AI that would be able to think, reason, and make decisions like human being. It could switch between tasks and learn new ones on its own. Right now, general AI doesn't fully exist, but researchers are working towards it. Next one is super intelligent AI. This is the most advanced and theoretical form of AI. One that surpasses human intelligence. It could solve problems beyond human capacity. Though it's still a concept, many experts believe it could exist in the future. And application of AI is now part of almost every day in every industry. Let's 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 look at a few key areas where it's making huge impact. First one is healthcare. AI is helping doctors and nurses by analyzing medical images, predicting diseases, even suggesting treatments. For example, AI tool can detect early sign of cancer from X-rays faster and more accurately than humans. In some cases, this reduces the workload of medical staff and improves patient care. Next is chatbots and virtual assistants. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Alexa are great examples of AI powered assistants. They help us write, search, and organize our work. They save time and work and make daily life easier, whether it's answering questions or managing schedules. Next one is recommendation systems. You have probably noticed how YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify recommend content you might enjoy. That's AI working behind scenes, analyzing your previous choices and predicting what you'll like next. It's perfect example of how AI personalize our digital experiences. Other areas, AI is also used in self-driving cars, fraud detection, education tools, and in agriculture, making world faster and safer, more efficient. So that's quick introduction to artificial intelligence and its powerful applications. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is shaping our future ever faster than ever before. And guys, and last, if you are interested in more about AI, then you might wanna look at AI blogs so you can get information on daily weekly updates. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.